So today we have a knackered turbo, which I'm going to try and demonstrate the noise of on this video. I've got up the dashboard of this is one of the OBD apps that I use, so that I can monitor gauges that I don't have on the actual dashboard of the car. As you can see, so we've got fuel rail pressure and boost. I've also got coolant temperature, because annoyingly, this is a Mark III Renault Grand Scenic, by the way. Annoyingly, when you use cruise control, it covers the temperature gauge on the dashboard, which is a really daft design, but that's what it does. So that's why I've got coolant temp up there as well. So yeah, we're about to pull out of a junction, so I'll be quiet and let's see if we can hear the wailing banshee. So hopefully that comes across on the video. As you can see, it's still holding boost. It's still happily sitting at 22 psi of boost, which means it's not completely eaten itself yet. But I don't think the shaft bearings are all that long for this world. So yeah, that'll be the next job.